All right, going back a little bit to Waterboy by Bill Murphy. We got normal Sudoku applied. Digits separated by a white dot must be consecutive. Not all dots are given. Okay, so a bunch of them. So 1 can only be connected to a 2, so that'll be a 3. 3 can be connected to a 2 or 4, but since 2 sees it, that'd be a 4. So I'm sure this is going to be 6 and 7. All right, so then this is 1, 8, and 9. 1, 8, 9. It's not a 1. And as stated, not all white crop keys are given. So 9 can only see an 8. So 7 can only see a 6. That'll be 5. And then this is going to go 4, 3. So then this will be a 1, 2, 9. Okay. 3, 3, 3. So we can pencil mark 3s here. And then 7's over here. So 7 can only see a 6 or an 8. And it can't see a 6. And if this was an 8, it would have to see a 9, and it can't be. So this cannot be a 7. So this will be the 7. Three can either see a 2 or a 4. And if it was a 2, this would have to be 1, but it can't be for that or this. So the 3 goes here. 9s are here. So then the 9s would go there. That'd be it. That would, if it's 9, it would have to be 9, 8. And then we're going to do 5s. 5 can see a 4 or a 6. 4 or 6. If this is a 4, it'd have to go down to a 3. If this was a 6, it would have to go up to a 7. Can't be. So we got the 5 there. I'm going to put 7s here. Four. So we can do 4s or 4s. All right, let's see if the 4 cannot be on the crop keys because both of the digits that it sees are there. So this is a 4. So I can pencil mark 4s here. Okay. I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9. This square. It's a 6. It would have to go up. Okay. So that's fine. Leave that alone for now. 7, 7. So let's pencil mark 7s. So if this is a 7, it would have to go 6 or 8. That's 7. And it could not be a 6. So we'd have to go 7, 8, 9. Which could not happen. This could not be a 7. Okay, could this be a 7? 6, 7, 8. That could happen. And then that. So this is not a 7, so this will be the 7. And then we can pencil mark in some 7s over here as well. Okay, can I do something similar over here? So 5s, this would have to be 4 or a 6. And it can't be a 6. And if it was a 4, we'd have to see the 3. Okay, so that can't be a 5. So we got a 5 here. Let's try the 6. 6, 6. So we got. And then the 6s cannot be on the crop key because both options that it sees are in the box already. So I can put 6s over there as well. What about 4s? So if this is a 4, this would have to go down 4, 3, 2. This is a 4. This would have to be 4 cannot be in the middle of the crop key. This cannot be a 4 because it sees both of the items that it sees. So this is the 4, and it has to go down to 3 and 2. That's not it. Oh, didn't want to do that. I wanted to do that. Okay, so then we have 1, 8, and 9. So then the 1 would go here. This is now an 8, 9 pair. That is not a 1. All right, so then we know 8, 9 is going to be here as well. So, yeah, 8, 9. Since the 7 is there. Okay, so this is going to be a 5, 6, 7 triple, which puts this as the 3. Then we can pencil mark some 3s. What about here? This is now a 1, 2, 4. That's a 3. All right, 2, 1, 2, 9. Okay, 8, 9. We need a 1, 2 in this box. So it has to go here, right? Out of those 3. Because 1 can only see a 2, and then 2, yeah, so that'll be a 1, 2. Which puts the 1, 2 over here as well. Okay. I'm digging that. So then we have to put a 6 here. This is a 6. Could I see a 5 or 7? And I have to see 7. This is a 6. This would have to be a 7. It can't be. So this is the 6. So that's a 7. And then this is an 8. So I can move that 8. This is an 8, 9. So we can do 8 there, 9 here. That's a 1. That's 8, 2, 1. Alrighty, here we go. 4, 4, 9, 9, 4. Then we need 2, 6. 2, 6. Y 9. 7. No 7. No 7. All right, then we need 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Okay, what do we need here? All right, we got a 1, then 6, 4, 8, 4, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Multiple options here. 4 cannot be on the crop key. So we'll do 4 there. But 6 cannot be on those crop keys. 7's already done. You can do the 8s here, and then the 9 has to go there. Okay, so 9. Wait, did I not? I didn't finish this off. 1s, 2s, 3s. Okay. So the 2 is definitely going to be on here. So we can remove those 2s, which puts this as a 2, so that's a 6. That's 6. And then whatever is not there on that one. All right. Oh, that's an 8, 9. 8, 9. So this has to be the 7, or else it becomes one of those impossible circles or impossible squares. 8, 9, 8. Right? 4, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is would be a 6, 9, 8. So that's a 5. It's a 4. Okay, let's clean these up. 4, 5. Okay, so that's 3, 1, 2. So this is going to be a 2, 3. 3. So 4, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6. Those are not 5s. That's not a 7. All right, that should do it. 5, 6, 4, 5. That's a 1, 4. So that'd be 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. 10 minutes, 18 seconds. Waterboy by Bill Murphy. Good stuff.